Hi, so back again. I'm just going to do a sum up of everything. So the Eureka Northwoods 4 tent that I picked up at a local thrift shop for $12.99. I did seam sealing of the tent floor, the tent tub, waterproof the tent fly, the tent tub part, did a pole replacement, yeah, and just I gave it a good clean and everything before I did all that. In total, the tent itself was $12.99. The seam seal was $10.95 from Amazon. The TX or DWR spray was $17.95 for a 500 ml bottle, and that was plenty. And then we'll say a couple of dollars worth of shock cord. So all in, this tent cost me $43.89 plus a few hours of my time doing the small repair to the fly where there was the rip. But other than that, yeah, it's good to go, and I'm super happy with things. I think this will be a great little tent for late spring, late fall fishing trips. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions for other videos, please feel free to comment below. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will post all the links to the materials that I used at the bottom of all parts of the video. So I hope everybody has a nice day. The weather is beautiful today. I think Seamus and I are going to head inside and get out of the sun for a bit. But other than that, yeah, happy camping. Bye.